Where were you when I was looking for a second chance to have a dance among the wildebeest and avoid these jungle cats? Slipping through the great divine and breaking all my toes to catch a glimpse of all that majesty within your pocket prose. Laughing on the trip away, I hope you'll set your sails today and grab that magic hand that always hovers over land. Reaching for the farthest stars in hotel rooms and dollar bars, just waiting for the sun to come and shine on you. I could show you anything, I'd love to take you traveling and place you on a mountain by the sea. But where we'd hide I do not know. How could we escape from all the pompous folks, the city rats, and all those jungle cats?